Alright, so we're back again, Highlight Stadium, New York City. So they're going to try to end this game with a field goal. If they make it, they win. If they don't make it, overtime. Alright, get ready. Let's roll this out. Let's roll this out. It's an 8. Looking at field goals. We got the field goals 2 dice. It's an 8, and then goes to 8, and it is up. And it's good. As the Tornadoes defeat the Saints with only 2 seconds left in the game, as they defeated them 10-7. This game is over. Thank you for watching Highlight Football Weekend. We'll have the wrap-up when we return. This is replay. And it's good.